Welcome to the channel, guys. Today is a highly requested video. I'll be showing you guys how to ride the OneWheel Pint X. Yes. So today I'll be showing you guys how to ride this beautiful OneWheel Pint X right in front of me. I'm all dressed, ready to show you. So stay tuned. Okay guys, welcome to the channel. Today we are learning how to ride the OneWheel Pint X. It's very simple. I have been there before and I basically used about 10 minutes or less to learn how to ride the OneWheel Pint X. And now I'm a pro. I'm glad I use it every day to enjoy myself. So basically this device lights up here, as you can see, and I'm going to show you how to start or how to stand on the device. The first thing you have to know is this is just one tire, so you need to balance up to have a level surface for you to stand up well. Usually it's advisable to learn with someone that already knows, that the person will lead you, the person will show you how to do it, and it will be easier that way. So consider me a learner and an invisible person trying to teach me how to learn the device. The first thing is to place your right leg on the lower side of the wheel where it's actually standing, and your right leg should be placed so well like you can literally support yourself on your right side. And on the left side where you have the light is the forward side. Assuming someone is holding me, usually if you're a learner, you let someone help you hold your hand so you can easily stand on this other side, because you won't be able to do it by yourself. Okay, so you struggle and try to put your weight on the left side, and the first thing is just to place your left leg on the stand. When your left leg is on the stand, now it's trying to let you know you're ready to ride. You see the lights changing, means you're ready to move forward, you're ready to go, you're ready to take off. This thing can go as fast as you want or as slow as you want. So when you are balanced on the wheel, the next thing is to try to lift your right side to lean over to the left side for the wheel to be leveled. So this is usually difficult for a beginner, but once you have someone supporting you, someone leading you, you'll be able to do it. And assuming someone is leading me, I'm just trying to lean slightly to my left, and once I get a balance, I'm going to stand, and voila. Now when you have stood on the wheel, it starts moving slowly, basically based on your direction that you want to go. To move forward is to use your shoulders. So you have to use your shoulders to move in order to go to the direction that you want to go to. To move ahead, I'm going to slightly lean to my left shoulder, because I'm a right person and this is the forward movement for me. So I lean to my right and I start moving, and it start going slowly. If I want to move faster, I'm going to lean again slightly to my right. The more I lean to that direction, the faster the machine starts moving, and that's how you go. Now once you're on the machine, you can get the balance as you want. Oops, that happens. It can happen to anybody. No one is perfect. So I'm going to teach you how to stop. Once you're on the machine, the thing you have to do is to focus on the direction that you're going. So consider it like straight movement, forward movement. Just look above your shoulder. If you're going straight, look straight. If you want to make a turn, use your shoulders to, slide the way you want, and you'll be able to make that turn. I'm going to do it again while I'm riding the machine, and you'll see what I'm talking about. So once you're on the machine, I'm going to repeat what I just did. The lights indicates that no one is on the machine. You put your right leg, you put your left leg, and you get the balance. So to move forward, I just slide forward, and I'm going so fast. To slow down, I lean slightly to my right, and it slows down completely. So when I lean slightly to my right, it starts slowing down. It starts slowing down. I want to move again. I lean slightly to my left, and it starts moving. Now, when you're moving, it's easy. You start moving, you start moving, you start moving. The next thing is knowing how to stop. So to be a perfect stopper, you just lean slightly to your right, and you'll be able to stop. And I'm going to do it right now. So I want to stop, I'll just lean, and that's how you stop. Easy peasy. So if you're scared and you think you're going to trip, you can just like jump off quickly to stop. If you don't want to jump off, just let the machine go and you jump off. It's better to be safe than wounded. Okay? So you have to be safe once you're using this machine, because you don't want to get injuries or scars due to this one wheel. So guys, you have to try this out. Put your leg on the right side, put your other leg on the left side, and you just start moving. It's not that difficult. This thing, I would say you can use basically 5 or 10 minutes. And just like any other device, like a car, a bicycle, anything that you ride on a daily basis, the more you ride it, the more you get better, the more you enjoy it, and you just feel like you want to be there every day and all the time. So let me know in the comment section if you got a one wheel, and if what I just said, what I just explained really helped you to learn your one wheel. Leave all your comments, all your questions, and I'll be here to answer them. And enjoy. Follow me as I ride. Thank you so much. Thank you for journeying with us and for learning how to use the one wheel device. If this is your first time visiting our channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, share with family and friends. Until next time, keep exploring, be safe, and stay out of trouble. Bye.